So today I decided to do something creative for my hair, and let me show you the process. I went to the local salon and they did some lines, but on the left side they were bad, so we decided to undo and made fresh ones. I went to the cosmetic shop and bought a leave-in conditioner, eco styling gel, the sponge, and the calitrol spray. So that's what I used for my hair. You can advise me on the best leave-in conditioner. For my case, I was able to get the Radiant one. Drop in the comment and let me know which is the best for this kind of hair. And how do you apply your leave-in conditioner? Was that really enough for the hair? Do you sun dry? What do you do, or you just leave it there? You can comment down below. I'm just starting my journey of regrowing my hair, so you can comment down below and let me know. Short hair babes, I have a question for you. What are some of the challenges that you go through by keeping short hair? Or do you feel relieved that you chopped down your hair in terms of the salon expenses? And do you think that keeping short hair is more affordable than keeping the long hair? You can comment down below and let us get to hear from different people. Should I continue using the leave-in conditioner or leave-in treatment? I really love the smell of that leave-in conditioner. After a few minutes of applying the leave-in treatment, it was now time to go in with the eco styling gel. For my case, I used the same and exact eco styling gel. You can comment down below and let me know which is the best for this kind of hair. And also let me know what was the experience after using the eco styling gel. Now it was time for me to apply the eco styling gel, massage it thoroughly all over the head so that it could give me easy time when making the rolls. If you are growing your hair after a long time of having short hair, what are some of the products that you are using? This was my miracle product. Okay, wait. Is it a product or a tool? Okay. Yeah. So this is what I used. It has two sides, so you can use whatever side you want. So for me, I chose that other side because it really gives the defined or whatever. I just felt like using it, and you can see from my hair the products bado zinaonekana pole pole. I mean the products are still visible, but with time they'll disappear. So just stick around with me as I show you the process. So for us to get the defined rolls or curls, depends on what you want. You rub slowly or to your preferred speed in circular motions in one direction. Yeah, I was trying to explain that I think the hair gets inside and that's how they get rolled anyway. I'm really interested about the hairline issue. When did you notice about your hairline receding? Okay, I'm so interested. I really want to know. And if you have been able to regrow your hairline or restore it back, you can give us the secrets in the comments, because I mean, especially the short hair babes, if you can ask most of them, I think 5 out of 10, they really shaved their hair because of the receding hairline. So I really don't know. I'm so interested. I really want to know what was the challenge. Even those that are not breastfeeding, whatever, let me just know. Is it genes? Okay. Is it because I don't know, is it the type of hair? You let me just know. Let's learn in the comment section. Is it age issue? Is it the consistent type of hairstyles that a person has been doing? You can let me know in the comments. You really have to be very patient, but as you can see, we have some consistent type of rolls, and I'm really liking it. I'm so proud of myself. For the corporate babes, I don't know if this has a problem. Let's say, for example, if you're going for an interview, does it really have a problem? Or maybe you can put up something that looks a bit professional, let's say a wig or something. You can also let me know in the comments. I mean, tuchanuane hapa. If you have ever gone to the salon for the same exact kind of service, how much were you charged? How much did you pay for the service? You can comment down below. Of course, it varies from one location to another, from salon to the other, so you can comment down below. Unaweza kuwa plug wetu. After all the hard work, I used my best sheen spray. I used Radiant now to give my hair that very shiny glow. You can also see that my scalp is so clean, and yeah, I'm so happy. At least I did it at home, and I don't know how long it will last. Let me hope that it will serve me for long. If you found this video helpful, give me a like. If you've never subscribed, please subscribe, comment down below, and share to a friend. You will help me go a long way. I so appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything, you my fans. I love you all.